Don't panic, you've got this. Take a minute, watch this and go get the shot. Line your bridesmaids single file along the path. Shoot from behind at waist height as they walk away. Let the petals do the work, no posing needed. Seat your bridesmaids one per step from top to bottom. Shoot straight on from street level. Ask for a genuine laugh. Tell a quick joke first. Have them walk toward you on the cobblestones side by side. Shoot wide and low to exaggerate the street's texture. Count to 3, then say go so steps sync up. Line them shoulder to shoulder against the brick. Ask each to hold her bouquet at eye level and look directly at you. Fill the frame so only faces and flowers show. Position them facing the water at sunset, arms around each other's waists. Expose for the bright sky so they go dark. The silhouette tells its own story. 2 lean against the post, 2 stand close beside them. Shoot from a slight angle so the post frames the group. Open shade gives you soft, even light on every face. Give each bridesmaid a handful of petals. On your count, they toss and you shoot. Overcast light is your friend here. No harsh shadows anywhere. Have 2 bridesmaids face each other and raise their arms to form an arch. Frame the monument through the arch. Others stand on either side. Step back for a wide shot. Have them form a tight circle and lean heads in. Stand on a step or small ladder and shoot straight down. Ask them to look up at you. It is always a showstopper. Walk them slowly past the glass facade and shoot their reflection. Step back so you see both the real group and the mirror image. Overcast days give the cleanest reflections. You rock! Now go get it done.